Hello fellas, this is Hamza here. Today we are going to learn how to make a photorealistic bullet in Blender using UV images as a reference and reference to the texture, making some shades here in the node editor and simple lightning, and using the empty, how to use an empty and focus of a camera. It is a tutorial for the beginners. Okay, cool. You can make it. Come on guys, you can. First of all, we are going to delete our our default cube and simply going to add our background image for the reference. So the image is only showed in a direct mode, not in perspective mode. So kindly, if you are not in the mode, press 5. Just add a circle here in the base of the bullet and drag and extrude it in on the z-axis. Just draw the bullet. So bullet shell first, joining upper base by pressing E and Alt M to make all the vertices in the center and in the bottom also. Center. Now it's time to make a bullet which is the part of a bullet, like a lethal part of a bullet. Okay. Extrude it on a top. Yes, it is. Subdividing it by pressing Ctrl R, A to select it, and now I choose for a, it's like it's just to like just grab all the vertices in a position. Okay, now in the UV editor we go just project from view, not a UV smart wrap, because sometimes it's pretty hard to adjust the UV smart smart UV. Okay, because it is going to project it in a circular, not in a cylinder, so it is pretty difficult to pick a shade on a bullet. Okay guys, now little part, we are just giving a texture reference, wrapping. It didn't pick its on its own in a material node. We have to pick it in material node. Just extrude it a little bit down. Okay. I guess grab it, not extrude it, because extrude is another. You just add a vertices, and the grab is just grab the vertices. Okay. Now select the lower part, like say shell. Just give the image texture reference. It will automatically grab a shell part, because we just give him a, I guess, wrapping in the upper image. Just see the render. Voila. Okay, cool. But no, as you can see, there are two shades in our bullet. One is a glutinous shade, which is given by the scene of scene lightning, and one is a image which is in our bullet. So try to find a bullet which have no shades, but either will do. Okay, in this scenario, we can say that there is a lightning of a scene, and there is a dark lightning, like there is a tendency of light is lower at the lower glossy part. Okay, that's all right. You can sometimes, which the things which we saw are not that simple. Okay, now go to node editor here. We'll raise the reference a little bit, change the background color to Now for the lightning, we have to show that the our plane is in infinity. As we saw a final render there, our plane is in infinity, so that's why we have to do this, because it will give us the sense that the plane is in on infinity. Because but we cannot make a plane in infinity, because it is going to be a very large plane if we have to hit the bottom and the top of a camera by extruding or the enlarging the size of a plane which is on the base. So just put the base up like position in that, and now add emission in a our plane. Okay, now sliding. Oh, our beautiful bullet is available now. Okay, now we are going to add more bullets in our scene. Okay, grab both, shift D, just rotate, press Y and 90, just rotate it. So finally make sure that the bullet didn't go through the base and don't be lifted or fly above the plane. So just slightly touch by its tangents to the plane. Okay, rotate it in motorwork or should be rotate it. Okay, clear, cool. Okay, now change a perspective view of a camera by now we have a black shade in our scene, so just I cut it off. Okay, need more bullets. It's like a round of a bullets in up there. Now we're going to add empty in our scene, just in the bottom of our main bullet, which is just standing in z-axis. Okay, to adjust the camera in first person, use shift F. I'm currently using 2.79, so I don't know 2.882 has this or not. This is a beginner tutorial because I'm using it is beginner tutorial, that's why I am making it in 2.79. I guess this interference is really easy to use. Now adjust the radius and scale it so the bullets which are nearest to the camera are going to blur and far from our main empty, and it's that like our empty is in focus. Now our imaging, okay, I get it out. I just sample it how much PC is your long. Okay, don't sample it on just like 150 or 150 100 or something else. Just do it and give me back your try. Okay, no, I didn't use much compositing in this scene because it's a really beginner's tutorial and simple extruding, grabbing on an axis, rotation, simple camera work, depth and field, but but just a simple try and using reference image make our bullets realistic. Okay, now give it try to your own things like make a speaker or something else in it, but using this method we can achieve all the things. Wrapping must be good. Okay, kindly like, subscribe and press the bell icon and share it to the groups so you can and your friends also learn the tweaks. Okay, for and the tendency of your subscribing and liking will encourage me to provide you more tutorials like this card one. If you want it, just subscribe it and press the bell icon button. Thank you.